In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy your Amazon profile link. If you're ready to share your Amazon profile with friends or use it for personalized recommendations, understanding how to copy your profile link is a great start. Let's dive into it step by step. First, open up a web browser and head over to Amazon's website at amazon.com. This might seem quite basic, but it's essential to start from Amazon's homepage to ensure you're in the right place to manage your account. Next, once you're there, look towards the upper right corner of the homepage. You should see a sign in button. Click on this button to enter your account details and log in. If you're not already logged into your Amazon account, this step is crucial because you'll need to access your account settings. Make sure you remember your login credentials for a smooth entry. After logging in, you'll find yourself redirected back to the Amazon homepage. Now look toward the navigation bar or header. You'll notice an option labeled Account and Lists. Go ahead and click on this. It's the gateway to a multitude of settings related to your account, including where we'll find your profile link. Inside the Account and Lists menu, you'll need to locate an option called Manage Profiles. This might require you to scroll slightly, but it's usually a prominent feature. Click on it to proceed. Here you can manage different profiles under your account if multiple people are using it, and crucially, it's where you can find the link to your personal profile. Now you'll see a section titled Who's Shopping. This section is essentially a hub for all profiles linked to your account. Click on the View option next to your profile. This will take you directly to your Amazon profile page where all personalized content and account activities are displayed. Finally, while on your profile page, you should now look for a link or button that says Your Profile. Clicking this will present your full profile, and this is where you'll find your profile link. The URL in the address bar is your Amazon profile link. You can now copy this link directly from the browser's address bar. Simply highlight the URL, right-click and select Copy, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. That's it, you've successfully copied your Amazon profile link, ready to be shared or saved as needed. Whether you're sharing your shopping habits with friends or setting up a new device, this profile link comes in handy. Thanks for tuning into this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful guides, and if you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. I hope you now feel confident about copying your Amazon profile link swiftly and easily. Until next time, happy shopping.